Welcome to this beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the desirable La Casa community of Lake Wales. Offering convenience, comfort, and low-maintenance living, this home features easy care tile flooring, a bright and functional kitchen with granite countertops, shaker cabinetry, motion-activated lighting, and stainless steel range, hood, and refrigerator. A white dishwasher completes the appliance package. The spacious Florida room provides additional living space, perfect for relaxing, dining, or enjoying your morning coffee. The primary bedroom includes its own updated ensuite bath with a walk-in shower, while the second bath, located off the hallway, offers a tub/shower combination for added convenience. A laundry closet is located inside the unit. Washer and dryer do not convey. The monthly HOA of $514 includes water, garbage, exterior maintenance, and access to the clubhouse and community pool, giving you a comfortable, low-stress lifestyle close to